Alright, let's dive into today's spotlight AI tool, Submagic, the shortcut to creating viral shorts faster than you can say AI magic. Seriously, this tool whips up the best clips with captions, B-rolls, zoom effects, and you can even add in sound effects to make things pop. Now, I've got a link down below in the description for you to join the party and follow along with me step by step. Once you've clicked that, just hit try for free if you're not already on board. Got an account already? Sweet, just log in and let's get started. Step 1, grab the video you want to use. I've got a clip of Alex Hamazi here that's itching to join the party. Drag, drop, and your work is pretty much done. Oh, and feel free to tweak the language settings right here. Hit upload, sit back, and chill out, bro, while AI does all the heavy lifting. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is pick your text style to match your clip. Check out all these options on the left. It's like a text buffet, man. This interface makes things very easy. They've got everything. Want it to look like Devin's handwriting? See it, Dea. They've got popular picks like Mr. Beast, Iman's, and even Ali's style. And hear what? You can tweak them however you want. Don't like gray? Make it pop with some red. Need it bigger? Just drag that slider. You can even choose where your text chills out, above, below, wherever. And if none of these themes are vibing with you, say no more. Customize away until you catch the vibe you're looking for. Alright, I'm feeling Ali's vibe, so I'm gonna drop it down a bit, pump up the size, and boom, we're golden. Now, one time on to captions. Submagic is actually magic. It listens to your video, figures out what's being said, grabs the best bits, and slaps it right onto your clip. Let's check out these captions. Looks like everything's spot on. Submagic's pretty sharp, but as with all auto-generators, it's not perfect. Let's say our good old pal didn't utter the word "and." No worries. You can simply wave your magic editing wand and poof, it's gone. Ever felt the urge to split those lines like you're breaking a Kit Kat? Well, now you can. Just click where you want the break, hit add line break, and boom. Now about those emojis. Sure, the current theme might be a bit emoji shy, but it's all good. We've got options. Check out the Homozy1 style with its cute little emoji friend in the corner. Anywhere you see the little emoji on the style button, you have this option. So we switch it up, head back to captions, and start adding emojis to emphasize. Just add a few though, as less is more here. You might see that Submagic's already got this covered. It'll automatically sprinkle them in based on your text. Mad, right? Bam, you get a money bag emoji. But wait, why stop there? Click that music icon and add some viral intent with sound effects. Need a for that money emoji? Of course we do. Hit play, and your clip just got a whole lot spicier. Oh, and you might want to check out the new beta feature, Auto Cut. It's like a ninja, silently slicing out those awkward pauses in your video. Smooth as butter. Alright, time to dive into the B-roll section. Now, there might be scenes you want to enhance the B-roll. Click that plus sign here to start making changes. For the sake of this example, let's search for something totally random, like a waterfall. Let's see what pops up. Okay, cool. Click, apply, and it's ours. B-roll in a couple clicks. But wait, it's missing a little pizzazz. Let's fire it up with a transition animation. So many options available on this user interface. Let's go with this one. Click, apply, and watch that transition make it pop. There's more options here too, like adding a GIF or image. Move it around, adjust the size, make it yours. Not feeling the sound effect? No worries, change it up to fit your vibe. And for the ultimate lazy move, you can just hit that magic B-rolls option. I don't really recommend this though, perfection takes a bit of personal touch. Once everything's how you want it, click on Publish. This is where we can add our audio. Just drag your preferred track here and adjust the volume to how you like it. Now, Submagic also generates a description and hashtags for your video. Honestly, the description it comes up with isn't always the best. Personally, I prefer to craft my own description and hashtags. If you're in a hurry, you can always use what it generates. And if you're not happy with it, you can regenerate it, shorten it, or even add a longer version. Once you're satisfied with everything, just hit the export button in the top right corner. Alright, here's the lowdown when you're ready to export your masterpiece with a free playlist. Just a heads up, there's gonna be a cute little watermark chillin' in the top left corner of the Submagic logo. Wanna tell it to do one? It's simple. Just jump on one of the plans. Let's break them down. There's Trial, Basic, Pro, and Agency Plus. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, flick that little switcheroo to Yearly mode. This way you'll save more. If you would rather a monthly plan, just be aware there will be a slight price increase. I'd say it's best to kick things off with the basic plan. You'll score a solid allowance of 20 videos per month, which is more than enough. All for a cool $16 if you're on the yearly train, which is close to the cost of a McDonald's meal these days. Now, once you're feeling cozy and seeing some viral magic with Submagic, you can level up to the Pro plan and really start dishing out content. It's a game changer, but hey, whether you take the leap depends entirely on your vibe and situation. But here's where you get an extra bonus. On the left, click Add a Promotion Code and type in AI Cameron. All caps, no space. Give it a cheeky click and you can thank me later. You're looking at a sweet 10% off on whichever plan floats your boat. I gotta say, this AI tool is an absolute game changer. Submagic makes creating short-form video feel like a cheat code. Again, there will be a link down below in the description, which will take you directly to Submagic if you guys did want to go ahead and try this for yourself. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you on the next one.